Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of class UKG and the topic name is tick for right and cross for wrong statements. In this, whatever statements is correct, we will tick, and whatever statement is wrong, we will cross. So my dear student, now I would like to explain you one by one all the statements. So the first statement is OBEY, obey, YOUR, your, TEACHERS, teachers. So my dear students, what is statement OBEY, obey, your, TEACHERS, teachers, obey your teachers. See in this picture, what have you seen? In this picture, it is showing the teacher is teaching and the children are listening carefully. So this is the correct statement. So what we will do? We will tick. This is correct. So correct statement we will tick. Now I am going to teach you the next. The next is FIGHT, fight, WITH, with, YOUR, your, CLASSMATES, classmates, fight with your classmates. See my dear students? Yes, in this picture you can see the two children both are fighting in the classroom. This is not a good manner. This is very bad. We should not fight. So my dear student, this statement is wrong or right? Tell me. This is wrong. So what we will do? We will cross. So fight with your classmates, it is a wrong statement. So we will cross. Now this is the next. TALK, talk, WHILE, while, TEACHER, teacher, IS is TEACHING, teaching, talk while teacher is teaching. So my dear student, according to this statement, when teacher is teaching in the classroom, so we should talk. Tell me, you can see in this picture. Yes, this boy, you can see the teacher is teaching and this boy is talking. So whenever teacher is teaching in the classroom, we should not talk. This is very bad. This is not a good. So my dear student, whenever the teacher is teaching in the classroom, we should not talk. So this statement is wrong. So what we will do? We will cross. Now I am going to teach you the next. This is DO, do, YOUR, your, WORK, work, NEATLY, neatly, do your work neatly. You can see my dear students. In this picture, this boy is doing the homework, and how is doing? He is doing very nicely, neat and clean. So my dear student, tell me, this statement is wrong or right? This is right. Do your work neatly. We should do our work neat and clean. So this is correct. So what we will do? We will tick. Understood? Now the next is SHARE, share, YOUR, your, THINGS, things, share your things. So my dear students, you can see in this picture. Yes, the two children are here. The one this girl, her pencil broken. Yes. So another friend of this girl, she is giving. And she is helping to this girl. She is sharing. So my dear student, the sharing is good habit. So we should share our things with our friend. So share your things. This statement is correct. So what we will do? We will tick. This is correct. Now the next is BRUSH, brush, YOUR, your, TEETH, TWICE, twice, INN, DAY, day. Brush your teeth twice in a day. So my dear students, we should do the brush 2 times in a day. The first when you get up early morning, the second time before going to bed. You can see in this picture, this girl, she is doing the brush. So this is a good habit. So what you will do? You will tick. Brush your teeth twice in a day. This is correct statement. So we will tick. Now, this is the 7 number. You can see WEAR, wear, CLEAN, clean, CLOTHES, clothes, wear clean clothes. So my dear students, now you can see in this picture, this girl, she wore clean clothes. Yes. So wear clean clothes is the good habit. So my dear students, this is correct. So what we will do? We will tick. Now I would like to explain you another. Yes. You can see what is this? THROW, throw, BITS, bits, OF, off, PAPER, paper, ON, on, THE, the, FLOOR, floor. Throw bits of paper on the floor. So my dear students, now I am going to show you the picture. This is the picture of classroom. See, all the children are throwing bits of paper on the floor. So this is not a good manner. This is very bad. We should not make our classroom dirty. So my dear students, this is the correct statement or wrong? This is wrong. Throw bits of paper on the floor. This is wrong. So what we will do? We will cross. Now I would like to explain you another. Yes. This is the 9 number. TAKE, take, a, BATH, bath, DAILY, daily. Take a bath daily. Now you can see this picture. So my dear student, this is a good habit to take a bath daily. So this is right or wrong? This is right. So what we will do? We will tick. This is correct. Now next I am going to explain you. This is the 10 number. Yes. ALWAYS, always. SPEAK, speak. TRUTH, truth. Always speak truth. Understood, my dear students? In this picture you can see the mama, she is asking about that who has eaten this cake. So this boy is very honest. He is telling that yes, mama, I have eaten. So my dear students, we should speak truth. We should not tell a lie. This is that to tell a lie, it's a very bad habit. We should not speak. We should always speak truth. We should not tell a lie. So my dear student, always speak truth is a correct statement. So we will tick. So dear students, like this you will also complete at your home. Thank you.